Page 12, Deck the Halls. 4/4 time. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure we got the notes and the fingering and all that worked out. So it's right hand, you're here to start. Not going to stay here, but you're here. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I'm hoping you understand knotted rhythms here. It's 1 and 2 and 3. So the E is on beat 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then the crossover. They say 3. I disagree. Here, just keep your thumb where it is and just cross over for one note. Leave there. Don't do a 3. Sometimes we do a 3 and sometimes we don't, and the reason is because of what comes next. If I want to be in this position going on, then yes, I'll use a 3. But if you look at the next note, it's a G again. You're back up here. So don't. Just cross over, leave thumb here. That way you're in position to go on. So I disagree with that 3. Now when you get to measure 8, you get the same thing. But again, I recommend you stay there because you still need to be in this position. So it's leave the thumb on that middle C there. That way when you go to the 5/7 chord, you're in position to go here and then the 1 chord. Now measure 11, let's look at this. 1 and 2 and, you just lift up and move down. 1 and 2 and 3. You know that's an A, I hope. Two ledger lines below treble clef is an A. 1 ledger line is middle C, and 2 ledger lines in is an A. So that's it. You're just coming down here. And during the rest in measure 12, you come back up. So you're ready to go on. When you get to measure 15, you got to reach up 1 note. So here and then go on. At the end, you don't need thumb anymore. There, that's fine. Left hand, well, you got the chords. Starting out here, it's just 2 beats now. Make sure you play this rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. So forth. When you get to measure 9, you get the melody. 1 and 2 and 3. An F sharp there, measure 11. 1. And then melody, you see the dotted line going up. The melody went up there. You lost it. And then a G, a D, G. And that half note G, that's melody again. You got the dotted line going down. And then the chords. So work it out one hand at a time and make sure you got these fingering and notes down in rhythm. And then try putting the hands together. You're here at the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3. See where I play the E, I lift up the left hand. And 2. And here, this is the last 2 measures of that's the 3rd measure here. Rest. The left hand comes out, but you're hanging on to that. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 comes up on 4. Try and be accurate with that, because most people would they would lift it up when you played that, or they wouldn't lift it up at all. So lift up on beat 4, 3 and 4. So there's a half a beat, that E is by itself. Let's go over to measure 8. Here, you're here. And the left hand gets melody. Half note F is still a sharp. That sharp sign applies to the whole melody. Again. So forth. So try and get the hands working together and get rid of any hesitations. You go slow, but it's got to be a steady beat. Then we add the phrasing. That's for the melody. Just lift up. Lift up. Between each phrase, just lift up. This left hand stuff, just try and play it all connected if you can, except for the rests. in the phrasing, and then the dynamics. It starts out loud, but that's the melody. You have to decide what loud is. Keep everything else in the background. Then when you get over to measure 9, they give you 2 dynamics. We don't need 2 dynamics. It's the melody. You need 1 dynamic in the middle, and that applies to the melody, and you figure the rest out. They're telling you the melody is down. That's loud, and this has to be in the background, the right hand. Now, measure 11. Melody. That has to sound all like one hand played the whole thing. All of that's melody, everything else is background. Good luck with that. And then the right hand gets it at the end. So overall, it's kind of a loud piece. It's a happy piece. It's a celebration, yay team, and all that. Okay. Speed-wise, on the fast side of the middle, or the middle side of the fast. No. It's the fast side of the middle. How fast can you do the fa la 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 thing? Okay. There's a retardando at the end. Slow down a little bit. Slow them fa-la-las down. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, and we can't slow down. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just try it together to make sure we got the right notes going and the rhythms and all that. I will do the slurring though. That's the phrasing. Yeah, I'll try and put that in. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 2, 4, 2. There's a duet for this. I'd like to do that. And you play your part, but I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C goes up an octave. So instead of here, you're here. Up here. Play it all up here. And we'll play it together. I'll speed it up a little bit, but I'm not too fast yet. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just try it together. 1, 2, ready, go.